Spread aluminum foil over your ironing board and tear off the right size. Put the board cover on top and iron as usual. The foil reflects heat, helping the fabric smooth out faster and preventing static. It also cuts down your ironing time and gives you a better finish. Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on one wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight. My grandmother taught me this method. Pour the liquid into molds. I'll show you an unusual trick you'll thank me for. Start by taking a silicone mold. You can use molds in different shapes. Pour laundry detergent with your favorite scent and color into the molds. The next important ingredient is baking soda. It works as a natural cleaner and helps keep your washing machine drum clean. It also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Add a bit of baking soda to each mold and mix thoroughly. Now take laundry scent booster beads and add them to each mold. These beads intensify the fragrance and provide additional freshness. This combination works better than simply adding the beads directly to your laundry. Place the prepared discs in the freezer and store them until needed. Once frozen, take one disc out of the mold and place it directly into the washing machine drum with your clothes. During the wash cycle, the disc will slowly dissolve, releasing a beautiful scent and refreshing your laundry. Your clothes will come out soft, fragrant, and fresher than ever. Even after a week in the closet, they'll still smell amazing. I guarantee that once you try this method, you'll use it all the time. You've been washing your pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains without even using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. After watching this video, they'll look brand new. To get rid of the yellow stains, follow this recipe. Take an empty spray bottle. Add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, then add a clear dishwashing liquid. Finally, fill the rest with water. Now, spray the stained pillow with this mixture. Make sure the yellow spots are completely soaked. Leave the pillow for 5 minutes. To wash the pillows, just place them in the washing machine with your chosen laundry detergent. Pillows should be washed at 40 degrees Celsius. Be sure to follow the recommended temperature on the label. This trick is amazing because after washing, your pillows will be snow white.